Welcome to this new episode of the series on Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, From A to Z.
K. 4-key pair.
A lock keeps your things safe and you need a key to unlock it. Similarly, when you use the internet, you need a key to keep your information safe. This key is actually called a key pair as it's made up of two parts, a public key and a private key. The public key is like a lock. You can give it to anyone. They can use it to send you messages or money. It's kind of disclosing your P.O. box number. But they can't unlock any messages or money that you've received. The private key's like an actual key. It's yours alone and it's used to unlock messages or money that have been sent to you. That's why you should never share your private key, as one can use it to access your messages or money. Bitcoin uses key pairs to make sure that only the person owning the address can spend the bitcoins associated with it. The public key's the Bitcoin address, the private key's used to spend the bitcoins. When you send bitcoins, you use your private key to sign the transaction, which proves that you're the owner of the concerned bitcoins. To verify a Bitcoin transaction, you need a private key, like a password allowing you to access your bitcoins, and a public key, like an address identifying where the bitcoins are being sent. This is where key pairs come in. Both keys are mathematically linked. One is kept secret, known only to the owner, while the other is shared with others so that they can send bitcoins to the owner's address. To keep your private key secure, it's recommended that you use a hardware wallet, which is a special device designed specifically for storing Bitcoin keys. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the white paper and be sure to check out our other videos in this series.